Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to the TechVerse Media Bites.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have created this TechVerse 2025 event today and showcased a lot of homegrown research. So, how do you think this will help in creating an innovative platform for all of India startups and industry and academia?
Yeah, so first of all, the TechVerse is all about the indigenous technologies developed over the years by our R&D societies of the ministry, so CDAC, Samir and CMET. And all these three societies are not only known for the innovation, but also making products which are actually can be used in the market and for various sectors. So if you go through the demonstration that is there at present, the showcase, the technologies which are showcased, it is right from the materials which are developed, the new innovative materials which are developed by CMET, the e-waste which is done by them, then the chip design which is done by CDAC, the components, the system development for various applications right from agriculture up to the space and missiles. So this is the wide range, and if I say from IoTs to HPC, high performance computing, and it is all the brains of these scientists which have been working over the years that we are seeing here and which has resulted in these products. It goes a long way in making the country self-sufficient. There is pride in there is security, safety, and a trusted supply chain that we are trying to build, not only in the hardware domain but also in the software. It looks at and takes care of the security across the complete platform, hardware and software platform, which is the need of the hour, which is required in the country, for any country. And I think we have quite a lot of demonstrations here. And also one of the points which I would like to make is that there are so many technologies which these three organizations or societies have made, which the other ministries, agencies, industry were not aware about. So this is a right showcasing a platform where they have all come here, seen how they can engage with all these three institutions, the expertise, capability which is there, so that they can collaborate and develop more and more solutions for the country, which can go global also.
Thank you so much for your perspective, ma'am, and it's been a really successful event. So I really hope that it's really met all the objectives that...
Definitely. Yes. I think it is very good. It's going on very well. Type of participation I'm seeing, so it is surely a success.
We look forward to a lot of collaborations also with the startups, academia and industry.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Welcome.